Hey there, welcome to AI Tools Academic Channel. Today I will show you how to install Ollama and run a DeepSeek-R1 model on a open WebUI for like your personal ChatGPT in local. First, let's go to your browser and type Ollama, and this will bring to the Ollama page. Then go to this page, and then there's a download, and click download. It will take you to the download page. You will find the version suitable for your system. Mine's Mac, so if I click this one, then in a few seconds, this will be in my download folder. So I go to my folder to unzip this content, double click, and then now the Ollama application is in my folder now. Next, let's install the Ollama. We can drag the Ollama to our application folder, and then double click the Ollama. You will see he will ask you, do you want to open it? Just click open. And then now our Ollama has been installed. So you can click next, and then you can install. It will prompt you to install your command line. To verify your Ollama is installed successfully, we can go to your terminal and then type Ollama, and then you will see they will give you some message about how to use Ollama. Next, we are going to do is install a model and make it run on the Ollama. So now I will show you how to install DeepSeek-R1. Basically, you can just go to click this model page and then go to the DeepSeek-R1 and then copy this comment and then go to your terminal and type it and then click. Then it will start. This will take some time to download, and we can just wait it. Once download is complete, you will see a success in your command line. To do a test, I just write down a question. He say, "Can you help me draft the email to invite friends to a party?" Let's click enter, and then he will act like a ChatGPT to help you draft some questions. But first, the DeepSeek, he will first sync. This is the sync process. And then the following is a real answer. Maybe you already find that Ollama command line is not very friendly to use. So thanks to the open source community, we have a free open source UI tool which can help you solve this problem. Let's get started. This tool called like a open web UI. Let's go to your browser. You will see this GitHub page. So go to the main page here. I will skip the like detail like what this do or what I'm just focused on how. The most easy way to install this open web UI is through the Docker. So I'll show you how to install Docker. Just use one line of code. But if you want to use the Docker, make sure you have your Docker desktop being installed. If you do not have Docker installed, you can look my description. There has one video to show you how to install Docker in your local computer. So now you'll see here has a section called installation with default configuration. So because right now my Ollama is on my computer, so I will just copy this link and then go to your terminal. You can open a new terminal and make sure your Docker desktop installed and also open. So you just now just copy this and then tap enter. And now will access to data from your other app. Just click allow. And then now he will pull in the image to setting up the environment for you. To verify your Docker image is successfully installed, you can go to your Docker desktop and click container. You'll see your now open WebUI container. It's or image is ready running. So next step, what you can do is go to the local host 300. This will take you to the UI interface because this is in your local. So this is your personal ChatGPT now. Then you can ask questions. You can ask quote questions, whatever you want to do. For example, here, let me do the test. Let's say, what's the capital of the real quick, the capital of the US is Washington, D.C. You can ask more. Here, it will show you all available models. Right now, I only download the DeepSeek-R1. So this is the only one I can use right now. This web UI is very friendly. You can chat here, like your ChatGPT, ask any questions or discuss anything you want to discuss with him, or do the code help from here. And also in your left, you can see your chat history. For example, you can ask, like I asked before, let's say, can you help me drop the email to my friend? So you can still find your old history chat. In your right, you can be very customized for your each chat. For example, you want to make this chat become what role you want them to act. You can put a role here, and also you can change the temperature and many parameters to customize for your own use case. So that's all. Meanwhile, if you find this video is helpful, please like it and share your comments and suggestions below. Do not forget to subscribe if you want more useful AI tools soon. Thank you.